Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will present to you a proper way of installing a drive in PC. So, here are the step-by-step instructions. First, prepare your workspace and the PC. So, power down your PC and unplug all the cables. Second, open the computer case. Third, ground yourself by touching a metal of the case to prevent static discharge. Number 2, locate the drive bays. So first is find an available 2.5-inch drive bay or 3.5-inch bay with an adapter. Third, mount the SSD or the solid state drive. So secure the SSD in the drive bay using the appropriate screws. Third, connect the SATA data cable. So, attach one end of the SATA data cable at the SSD connect other end to an available SATA port on the motherboard. So, fourth is connect the SATA power cable. Locate an available SATA power cable from your power supply. Then, connect it to the SSD. Fifth is double check connections. So ensure all cables are securely connected. Sixth is replace the case cover and reconnect all external cables. 7. Power on and setup. So turn on your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI to ensure the new SSD is detected. If installing an operating system, follow the OS installation process. If if cloning your existing drive, use cloning software to transfer your data. So that's all, and thank you so much.